In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer the crypto coin from Bybit exchange to Kraken exchange in very simple steps. I will also show you that how you can select the coin on the Kraken application, which network you have to select. Everything I will show you in this video. Keep watching this video, do not miss any part of this video, otherwise you may lose your funds. So to transfer crypto coin from Bybit to Kraken application, let's come on the Bybit application first. So here you can see I have opened Bybit application on my cell phone. Now to transfer crypto coin from Bybit to Kraken exchange, first we will come on the asset, and here you have to select that which coin you want to withdraw from here. Click on the withdraw, and here you can see currently I have USDT and Solana coin. So I want to transfer USDT from here to my Kraken account. Come on the USDT, and here you can see the two sections, on-chain and internal transfer. Internal transfer basically used to transfer crypto coin from Bybit to another Bybit account. But we are transferring from one exchange to another exchange, so we have to use on-chain. So here we have already selected the coin. We have to add the address here, and after that we have to select the network here. Alright, so network should be same on the both exchanges, otherwise you may lose your funds. If you come on the network, here you can see the network and the fees. For the ERC20 we have to pay 8 USDT fee. For the TRC20 we have to pay 1.3 USDT fee. For the Arbitrum $1 fee. For the Solana 1 USDT fee. For the BP20 1 USDT fee. So there are multiple networks are available. First we have to confirm on the Kraken application that which networks are available there. Come on the Kraken application first. Come on the portfolio. Here you have to choose the deposit, which coin you want to deposit. You can also search from here. So I want to deposit Ether USDT. Alright, so here you can see the networks which are available on the Kraken application, and also it shows that the arrival time and how much minimum you can deposit. For the Ethereum you can deposit 7.11 USDT and arrival time will be 14 minutes. Similarly for the Arbitrum 2.5 USDT and arrival time will be 15 minutes. So for the Solana you can see 0.4 USDT minimum. It will be arrived in less than 1 minute. So I will select Solana here. Alright, now here are some instructions that only deposit USDT from the Solana network. Otherwise you may lose your funds, as I already told you. The minimum deposit is 0.40 USDT. Processing time is less than a minute. I understand. Here you can see we have the address of the USDT Solana network. Copy this address, come on the Bybit exchange, and here we will select Sol. For Sol we will pay $1 fee. Alright, paste address here, and here the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. So I will select 10 USDT and we will pay $1 USDT fee. Click on the withdraw. So here you can see the confirmation page. On-chain withdrawal is USDT. Withdraw to this address. Amount will be received 10 USDT and we will pay $1 withdrawal fee. So if you verify this, click on the confirm. Now here you have to add the codes. Now here you have to verify the security confirmation that you are owner of this account. Click on get code. Now let me insert the both codes. So I have inserted both codes. Click on the confirm. So here you can see withdrawal submitted. It will take couple of minutes to transfer your funds from here to Kraken application. You can view the withdrawal history. Currently it says withdrawal in progress. You can refresh here. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Now it says send. In a minute, status has been changed from progress to send, but sometime it will take more time to receive on the Kraken application. Let's verify this transaction on the Kraken. Come on the Kraken, refresh this. So currently we have not received the USDT yet. It will take couple of minutes more. Now after a few minutes it's showing a pending transaction. 10 USDT is pending. Now it will take few more minutes to verify this transaction on the Kraken platform. Then it will be deposited on your Kraken exchange account. But don't be worried, it will always take some time. So here you can see our transaction has been confirmed and we have received 10 USDT has been successfully deposited from Bybit exchange to our Kraken account. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve all your queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.